Stunning drywall art designs that transform your interior. Drywall is often thought of as just a basic construction material, a plain, flat surface that serves as a foundation for paint, wallpaper, or wall decor. But what if drywall could be more than that? What if it could become an artistic element that enhances your space, adding depth, texture, and personality? Stunning drywall art designs are transforming interiors worldwide, turning ordinary walls into breathtaking focal points. From intricate patterns and sculpted reliefs to 3D elements and seamless geometric designs, drywall art is proving that walls can be more than just barriers. They can be works of art. One of the most striking aspects of drywall art is its ability to create depth and texture. Traditional smooth walls are practical, but textured drywall can add a whole new dimension to a room. Whether it's a subtle wave pattern, a flowing organic design, or a bold abstract composition, textured drywall adds character and movement to a space. These designs can be minimalistic or elaborate, depending on the style of the interior. A popular trend in modern drywall art is geometric wall designs. These can be crafted using layered drywall panels that create a multi-dimensional effect. Imagine a living room with a feature wall made up of interlocking hexagons, triangles, or diamond-shaped panels, all seamlessly integrated into the drywall. These geometric patterns bring a sleek, contemporary look to the space and can be enhanced with strategic lighting to emphasize the depth and angles. The play of light and shadow across these shapes adds a dynamic quality that changes throughout the day. For those who love classical elegance, ornamental drywall reliefs offer a luxurious aesthetic, inspired by historic architecture. These sculpted elements can mimic the grandeur of old-world plasterwork, featuring intricate floral motifs, Baroque scrolls, or Greco-Roman-inspired patterns. These designs are often seen in high-end homes, luxury hotels, and grand theaters, bringing an air of sophistication and timeless beauty. The craftsmanship required to create these intricate patterns is impressive, as it involves carving, molding, and carefully sculpting the drywall to achieve a seamless and refined appearance. Nature-inspired drywall art is another stunning way to transform an interior. Flowing tree branches, delicate leaves, and abstract wave patterns can be sculpted directly onto walls, bringing an organic and calming atmosphere to a room. These designs work beautifully in bedrooms, spas, and relaxation areas, where a natural, peaceful ambience is desired. When combined with soft lighting, nature-inspired drywall designs can create a tranquil retreat, turning an ordinary wall into a serene landscape. A bold and modern approach to drywall art is 3D sculptural wall designs. Unlike traditional flat walls, these designs incorporate raised elements that stand out, creating a tactile and visually striking effect. Some artists use drywall to craft abstract waves, circular formations, or even dramatic mountain-like peaks. These sculptural elements add a sense of movement and fluidity to a space, making it feel more dynamic and engaging. Lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing drywall art. Hidden LED strips, recessed lighting, and wall washers can highlight the depth and contours of the designs, making them appear even more dramatic. A textured drywall wall with built-in lighting creates an interplay of shadows and highlights, emphasizing the three-dimensional aspects of the artwork. This technique is often used in hotels, luxury homes, and commercial spaces to create stunning visual effects that captivate and inspire. For those who appreciate minimalism, subtle drywall art designs can offer a refined and sophisticated touch. Delicate line work, soft curves, or barely there textures can be used to create understated elegance. These designs blend seamlessly into modern and Scandinavian-style interiors, adding depth without overpowering the space. The beauty of minimalistic drywall art is its ability to enhance a room's aesthetics while maintaining a sense of openness and tranquility. Another innovative drywall design technique is layering. By stacking multiple layers of drywall, Designers can create a sense of depth and variation in thickness, allowing for intricate carvings and dimensional effects. This technique is often used to craft wall panels with a sculpted look, where different sections of the wall appear to be floating or layered over one another. The result is a striking interplay of shadows and shapes, giving the room an artistic and custom-designed feel. Drywall art is not limited to residential interiors. It is also widely used in commercial spaces. High-end restaurants, boutiques, offices, and luxury hotels use sculpted drywall elements to create a distinct identity. A beautifully crafted drywall feature wall in a lobby or reception area immediately sets the tone for the space, making it feel more inviting and visually impressive. It's a creative way for businesses to make a bold statement and leave a lasting impression on visitors. The versatility of drywall as a medium allows for endless creativity. Some artists use it as a canvas, carving detailed murals or bas-reliefs that tell a story or evoke emotion. These artistic installations can become the centerpiece of a room, capturing attention and admiration. Whether it's an abstract design, a floral composition, or a large-scale architectural pattern, drywall art is an incredible way to personalize a space and make it truly unique. One of the best aspects of drywall art is that it can be customized to fit any interior style. Whether you prefer modern, rustic, industrial, classical, or futuristic aesthetics, drywall can be shaped, textured, and sculpted to match your vision. It's a highly adaptable medium that allows designers to experiment with forms, creating innovative and one-of-a-kind installations. For homeowners looking to renovate or upgrade their interiors, investing in drywall art can be a game changer. Instead of opting for traditional wallpapers or painted walls, consider transforming your space with a sculpted drywall design that adds depth, elegance, and creativity. Whether it's a subtle texture, geometric pattern, or a dramatic 3D element, drywall art has the power to elevate an interior and make it unforgettable. The transformative power of drywall art. Drywall art is more than just a design trend. It's a groundbreaking approach to redefining interior spaces. By incorporating intricate textures, sculptural elements, and custom patterns, drywall art transforms walls into stunning focal points that captivate the eye and enhance the ambience of a room. Unlike traditional wall treatments, which rely on paint, wallpaper, or decorative panels, drywall art offers a seamless integration of artistry into the very structure of a space, creating depth, movement, and personality in ways that conventional methods cannot. What makes drywall art truly exceptional is its versatility. Whether you're drawn to the clean, modern lines of geometric patterns, the timeless elegance of classical motifs, the soothing influence of nature-inspired designs, or the striking impact of three-dimensional sculptural elements, drywall art offers boundless opportunities for creative expression. It allows homeowners, designers, and artists to push the limits of interior design, turning plain walls into immersive visual experiences. Beyond aesthetics, drywall art also reflects the mastery of skilled craftsmen. The intricate detailing, precise execution, and thoughtful composition required to create these works of art showcase a level of craftsmanship that adds lasting value to any space. It's not just about decorating a room, it's about elevating it into something extraordinary, a lasting impression through artistry. In conclusion, drywall art is more than just an embellishment. It is a revolutionary way to bring personality, sophistication, and artistic flair into any interior. Whether used in residential homes, commercial spaces, or luxury interiors, it transforms walls into dynamic masterpieces that engage the senses and redefine the atmosphere of a room. By embracing drywall art, you are not just enhancing your space, you're curating a visual experience that leaves a lasting impression. It's a bold statement of creativity, craftsmanship, and innovation, proving that walls are not just boundaries, they are canvases waiting to be brought to life.